And today it's Monday, the 22nd of March, and I'm really happy to have you here for a new trading week with a lot of exciting new things and new trading ideas, and especially hard working together because we are in a really, how should I say, difficult situation about our running trades, working trades, cut the losses. I'm quite sure you feel it like me, that actually we are in a really hard situation where it's really important that we stay together, that we hold together, because those situations where a couple of trades are in loss, or we had to cut the losses, and actually a couple of trades in a row, this is one of those situations where many traders failed. Maybe they stop with trading, maybe they're looking around for another setup, or maybe they're looking around for another trader they can follow or something else. And this is why so many people fail in trading, because trading is a long run business. It's not a short run business. And this is why so many people fail. And one of the big benefits of this show, this morning briefing show, and I guess we should say thank you to Admirals that we can do that every morning together. The big benefit of such a show is that we can talk about it, that we can explain it, that I can explain it. You know, I have a lot of pressure on my shoulder because I trade a real account here, and I decided to spend that money at the end of the year if you make profits, of course. And this is what I think what's really cool about this morning briefing show, this trading spotlight community, that we can talk about it. You can ask your questions about it. If you feel disappointed at the moment about the trading results, actually, yeah, it's a part of the game. Unfortunately, it's a part of the game. But my teacher taught me years and years ago, because he said, why are you not happy about your losses? And I said, okay, sorry, why I should be happy about losses? Can you explain me? Yeah, of course, you work with probabilities. And you know, if you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. And probabilities means technically correct trades, failed trades are a part of the game. And with every loss, you will come closer to the next winner. And this is an interesting way of new thinking. And this is a kind of processing of your own process to a successful trader. But this is a long run. And I'm really happy, really happy that I can share my knowledge a little bit with you on the surface, of course, and that we can talk about that, because we have to. This is what I tell my clients every morning. We are happy together, but we are suffer together. And because both sides are a part of the trading game. So keep strong, guys. Really strong. Be focused on sticking to the rules and not money. Because this is the other problem. If you're focused on making money, you will be disappointed very often. Because why we are disappointed? Because we have expectations. If you cut or if you delete your expectations, you will never be disappointed anymore. So, but this is deep psychology knowledge. So let's now share the screen. And so let's see, here we go. Where is my chat? Here is the chat, so I can see it. So please feel free to ask whatever is in your mind, and really feel free, because we are here to talk about our trading challenges, of course. And I would be really happy if you share everything what is in your mind. And of course, in YouTube as well. Good morning, Thomas, Winner, Don, Mike, Michael, Jackie, wonderful good morning, of course, and to all of you around the world, wherever you are placed right now. Michael, good morning. So you see the financial trading with financial instruments offered by Admirals carries a high level of risk, which is not suitable for all investors due to their complex nature. Consult a specialist if necessary to ensure you understand the risk involved in trading. So we are focused on rules. Ian, good morning. We are focused on having rules and on sticking to our rules, of course, because success is not a fantasy, it's your formula. And this kind of formula you have to follow every day. And this is the big challenge in trading. So you see, we have a hit code of around about 70% that we can accept that the trend will continue with a close above or below the last 0.2. But 70% doesn't mean 100%. And you know, that's the dice. Don't forget it. When the dice occurs on the right side of the chart, you have to roll the dice because you cannot know if with the next roll the 6 will occur, but you have to roll the dice, whatever it takes. And this, guys, this is the hard part in trading, really, really hard part. So therefore we stick to rules. Valid trend is needed, a young trend is needed. We need out of the correction, buy cheap and sell expensive. And then we are waiting for the rebound. Of course, we are working with Heiken Ashi here because it's an easy part to see when the price is turning. So, and before I start today, I have the question for today for you, and I need your help today because it's really important that you think about your trading business. So the question, and we can open the poll right now, the question of the day is, do you have a trading business plan? So we have 3 answers. Answer number 1, yes, I have one. So, or second, answer number 2, why do I need a business plan? What the heck? And answer number 3, no, I have not one right now, maybe. So click on it, and I'm really happy if you be a part of this wonderful question. So I have a kind of clue where I can pick you up about that, because this week we need to talk about, that's the main topic for this week, about the business plan. And I want to share you what I have learned in my trading career and what's about the business plan basically. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. Okay. So we can leave it and we can let it open here right now. So the question of the day is, of course, wherever you are, please click on it and don't hesitate. Okay. So I don't care about that. So I care about that. I can teach you a little bit about that. So do you have a trading business plan? So yes, I have one. Or answer number 2, why do I need a business plan basically? No, I haven't. Okay. So with that in our mind, let's click, let's see what we expect today about the numbers. Upcoming events today, it's about the homepage admiralmarkets.com/analytics. It's a free homepage, of course. So you see, we only expect the existing home sales. Oh, by the way, be careful because the USA is in summertime already. So markets opens 1 hour earlier. So wherever you place, please keep it in your mind. Okay, so on YouTube, I got a lot of 1s, but I got also number 3. So which means actually you don't have a business plan, and a couple of you have a business plan. So I hope I have your attention because I want to share some interesting ideas about the business plan for you. Okay, so let me invite you for this week to our Forex webinars. And Jens is talking on Wednesday about how to invest in precious metals. And Paul is talking about, I guess, trading the news. And so, or what happens when algos go rough. So Paul is talking about that. And you see, we have a lot of very, very interesting webinars. So I hope you join my congenius partners as well. So they will be really happy if you spend your lifetime with my colleagues as well. So now let's go through the markets and let's go through our running trades about our, how should I say, trade management. So we start with Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So, by the way, if you have, no, let's do it later. Let's check the markets first. So actually, you see the trend in Australian Japanese yen now is broken. So which means we have a close below the last 0.3. The green rectangle, that's my last correction zone. So we reached our targets. And this is, yeah, I know, guys, this is the hard part in trading, not to intervene into your trades. Because now I know, because I did it so often in my past trading career. Oh, by the way, guys, I will translate it the rest of the week here, the weekend. I found, oh my gosh, it's 12 years old right now. I found, that's stupid. You cannot see it a little bit, just here a little bit. It's in German, but I will translate it through the rest of the week. I found my personal trading signal and I wrote on it, I want to try it at August the 6th, 2008. Gosh, that's 13 years ago. And I found it a weekend because I prepared the new week and I throw something away. And there I found this again. Oh my gosh, I will translate it for you that you see, I started the same way like you guys. And this is, my gosh, it was really, how should I say, embarrassing for me, but I will share with you. So this is one of the hard stuff in trading. That's a challenge that you never intervene into your trade. So we are living in trading on the right side of the chart. I only trade in 4-hourly chart, or sometimes in daily chart or weekly chart. But most here in this spotlight, in this show, we trade only 4-hourly charts because you have to follow the rules or the law of the probability, you know. So I know how hard this could be because you saw, oh my gosh, we were so deep in profit, and now we lose a lot of money. No, we followed the plan. And that is what you have to do. And let me repeat the words from Super Mario, whatever it takes. So the point is, maybe you will make a decision and you said, oh my gosh, yeah, I had a wonderful entry. I sold half of my position, but now I was so far in the move and I had so many profits. Next time, I will trail my stop maybe bar by bar, or maybe I will trail my stop closer. Today, I promise you something. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can ever make. Why? You cannot predict what will happen on the right side of the chart. If you decide about the result right now, that next time if you will have such a situation and you trail your stop, I promise you the guarantee is almost 100% that you will get out and then the price is turning and it will rise trillions of points. And who is not in? You are not in. And this is what so many people make wrong when they write in their diary, handwritten diary, of course, when they write in their trading journal, okay, next time I will do it not in a different way. That's stupid, guys. You cannot predict the result. The only way what you can do is stick to the rules and stick to your plan. That's all. Otherwise, you would have, how should I say, a crystal ball, and that's stupid. You cannot predict the result. Can I give you a quick reminder? We are working with probabilities, which means probabilitas accidentia moneta. You remember? Yeah, probabilitas It's about what you believe. And we made a back test. And this trading, this kind of trend trading, this back test goes back until for rounds goes back 142 years in the year 1879 when Charles Dow figured it out that a trend continuation is always more likely than a trend break. So we have 58% have a trading a business plan, 4% don't have, ask why, and 38% said, no, I have not one. I will explain why. We talk about that, okay? So, and that's the point. Never intervene into your trade. Let the market decide. Follow your plan. And my plan was I trail my stop when I reach my first target by the point 3, trend trading. And now I have a break, but I don't stop the trade by my own hands. I trail just the stop. And now the market will decide how much money I will get. So in the first step, first of all, we started a trade because we want to have a 6 on my dice. Do we have a 6? Yeah, we had. Because we started a trade here and we had a close above the last point 2, which means this trade was one of the 70%. But how much money you will get with the trade, it's just a kind of trade management. And every time, believe me, every time you intervene and you decide next time you will make in a different way, I promise you, you will fail. And this is follow your plan. And this will give you a kind of calm inside of you that you just have to follow your plan. So next one is Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So yes, we got in. We had a close above the last point 2, which means, guys, this is the next trade. About 70% of probability. It's a winner. So about now, we have to make trade management. Because yes, it goes a little bit up, but we didn't reach the point where I can sell half of the position. So now I had a close. You can see this violet line is my mental stop because my hard stop were placed below the last point 3. But now this is my plan. This was my plan. This is my plan. And I follow my trading plan, which means I can see I'm in an expensive price zone. The point of control is placed on the lower side, which means, okay, I know I'm really expensive, my price, but the price is not part of the rules, but it's a part of my trade management, which means, okay, I have to accept this inevitable thing that I cannot predict the right side of the chart. I don't have a crystal ball, which means if I realize my bus is turning and is driving in the wrong direction right now, I have to get out. Okay, therefore I could see I have a close below my violet, my soft stop. I trailed my stop, and now I will lose round about 5 pips, and not at the beginning round about 100, 150 pips. Okay, this is part of cut the loss. And if we will get out, fine. The trend is still valid. It's still a young trend. And if the dice will occur again, roll the dice. Okay? What if my plan is not good and I could make it better when I know I should change it? Yeah, the point is, Mihai, don't mix the rules with your plan. A trading plan, or maybe the trade management, is not part of the rules, because every trade, every single trade has its own trade management. And this is a big challenge that you have to accept. The only thing I can reproduce is my rules, but not the trade management. So if your plan is good or not good, it's a part of the trade management. And this is deeper knowledge, of course. So British pound, Canadian dollar. Yeah, you see, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we had a close above my last point, this blue line here. No, that was my, there I had my violet line. And then I traded the stop from the last point 3 down to this spike. And you see price actually is going more down and I'm still in. And that's the point. Yeah. If you were trailed your stop closer and then you get out, yeah, you could be happy because you made money. It's a wonderful trade. But then if you see, oh, the trend will continue and continue and continue. So how will you decide next time? Next time you will decide, oh, next time I will let the winners run. And next time the price is going more up. So you see, a trading plan is not repeatable. Only the rules are, but never the trade plan. So therefore, the price information is really important and the trading plan is really important. British pound, Swiss franc. Yeah, here we go. You see, we had the plan, we had the rules, there was the balance candle, we got in, and now the price is going a little bit up. And this violet line here, this horizontal line, is my mental stop. My hard stop where I calculated my worst case I want to lose. So it's up of the last 0.3. But I cut the loss when I can see I'm in the wrong bus. So actually we will see if I will have a close above my soft stop, then I trail my hard stop and I'm looking for a new entry. Okay. British pound, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, I said my plan is if we reach this green rectangle on the upper side, then I will sell half the position. And this is my mental stop, this horizontal line. My hard stop, I trailed already. And now I trail my soft stop closer and closer because I can see the market or the price is among the red zone, within the red zone. So let's let it run. New Zealand, Canadian dollar, you see, it's fine. This horizontal line means my soft stop. I didn't have a close above it. So there was no need to trail my hard stop right now. So let the winners run. So why? Look, the point of control is there at 0.8772. So the probability that the price will reach the point of control, which is a fair price, is really, really high. So let the winners run. Let it run. Like this one, US dollar, Japanese yen. So we sold half the position. Let the winners run. My soft stop is placed above, below the last 0.3 with a question mark. So let it run. We cannot predict the right side of the chart. This is really, really, really important. Please never intervene into your trade. Roll the dice if it's a cure and follow your plan. That's all. Let the market decide. Let it decide, please. So this is one of, we tried to continue, go back to the point of control, but now it seems to be on the wrong bus. So, and now this horizontal line means my soft stop. And yeah, actually I have to trail my hard stop closer, but I wait until this candle is closed at my time, 11 my time. Okay. So then gold, yeah, it's still a valid trend. So let it run at the moment. So this violet line, this horizontal line means my soft stop. My hard stop is placed below the last 0.3. That's my worst case scenario, because if the price will go down, then the trend is broken and I'm a trend trader. The stop loss should protect your trading idea. So if I will have a close below my horizontal line or a soft stop, then I trail my hard stop below that candle, which triggers this line. And Dow Jones, now we are out. Fine, we made a profit. Wonderful trading idea. You see, we're very expensive about the price, but the price is not part of the rules. And you see, we continued the trend 1-2 times more. And now I trailed my stop. And you see, now I got out. It was a wonderful winner. And we made everything right. We made everything correct, guys. Why is it? Because we followed the plan. And that's really, really cool. Okay, so let's see what we can do today. On my watch list is still Australian US dollar. We have a trend, but we are deep in the green zone and we are waiting for the next balance candle. So I have a worst case scenario entry order, which is placed a little bit more above. But actually, to be honest, I delete this order and I'm waiting for next balance candle. But the problem is that we have here, exactly there, a big volume resist zone. And I'm not sure if we can cover this or if we can cope this challenge because the point of control is far away on the lower side. So wait for it and just on the watch list, not important for today. Euro, Australian dollar. This is beautiful. We have a young trend. We saw the correction around about 61%. And now we are waiting for the balance candle. I have a so-called catastrophic entry order. If the price will go down without a balance candle, maybe, then we are a part of the game. If not, we can delete it. Euro Swiss franc, fine. First of all, point of control is placed far away, 1.0768, far away. So we have a wonderful trend. We saw the correction, which ends around about 61%. That's fine. All rules fit, actually. Last candle was a balanced candle, not really clear, but we have a couple of balanced candles there. And you can see the price is circling around this hot zone, which means, yeah, set your order there. If the price will go down, you're a part of it. If not, delete the order. Never work with market or limit orders. Just stop buy or stop sell. I'm new here. Where can I find the mentioned rules? Please follow this. Please follow this YouTube channel of Admirals, and you can go back. We started on January the 18th. All YouTube videos are there. I explained very carefully this rule. So please watch the YouTube channel of Admirals. Okay, then you will find every question. Or you open a real account, of course, and then you can be a part of our trading spotlight community. Open a real account, put some deposit on it, and then you can have and you can have access to this trading spotlight community, lovely community, and then you can get in touch with me directly if you want. Okay. So here we go. Next one, crude oil. Yeah, crude oil and WTI oil as well. We have a wonderful trend. Point of control is far away on the lower side. Now we are waiting for clear, guys, clear close above 38%, and then a balance candle. So which means oil, crude, LWTI is still on my watch list, but I'm waiting for a clear close above 38%. So guys, and now the question was today, if you have a business plan. So why do you need a business plan? Let me spend 3-4 minutes about that. Why do you need a business plan? And this is not the question, because you need a business plan. Why? Guys, trading is the business. It is a business. It's not gambling. Real trading is not gambling. Real trading is based on probabilities and on human processing. If you don't want to change yourself, it's fine. But then please stop trading immediately. Because to become successful in trading means you have to change yourself. Put off your glasses. You have ego glasses on your eyes, you know. And so what do you need a business plan? So first of all, you need to find a trading tactic or your own setup. Maybe these 4 magic rules we work with. But you need to find your own. If you're familiar with this 4 rules, fine, you can do it like us here every morning. So next one, it will find to help your own crucial points in trading. What do I mean with crucial points? Do you know the biggest crucial point in trading? You know? Yeah, I can tell you. It's you and me, of course. We are the crucial point because, you know, we are living on the right side. There's always this big question mark. And the crucial point is we need to handle this question mark on the right side. And this is first of all up to the rules, but 90% of trading success is based on your willingness if you want to change yourself about your kind of thinking. And the third one, it will help to plan your next steps. So first of all, learn the rules. Next, train to draw the trends properly. And then kind of trade management, money management, and all that stuff. So because this business plan, it's a kind of subscription of your whole trading business, and it's a business. It's kind of a beacon, and it's helpful for your self-control, and you can see where you are, where you come from, where you are, and where you want to go. This is the point. Or let me use Mark Twain, because he said, if you don't know where you are going, you will end up somewhere else. And this, guys, is deep, deep knowledge. Because if you want to go to vacation, you know where you want to go. But in trading, it's the same. And therefore, so many people fail in trading. They don't have a plan. Because all of us, to be honest, guys, all of us, we have this one dream. You know, we have this one dream. And the dream is to become successful in trading. This is the dream. But, guys, a dream without a plan is just a dream. And a plan without a date will be just a dream. And we are not here to dream. We are here to become successful. We are here to change the world. We are here to be the exception. So therefore, make your business plan. And tomorrow, I want to show you a content of business plan. And if you have a business plan, feel free to send it to me. info@dowhow-trading.com. info@dowhow-trading.com. Send me your business plan. I check it and I give you a response. Okay? But please never trade without a business plan. Because, you know, if you don't know where you're going, you will end up somewhere else. And we want to be the exception, guys. So I wish you a wonderful, wonderful new trading day. Stick to the rules, follow your plan. If you have any questions, come up in the Trading Spotlight community. And so I hope we will see each other tomorrow. Same time, same place. Thanks for your lifetime. Be careful, have courage, and be kind. And you know, may the force of the rules be with you. See you guys.